Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I got rid of myopia naturally. Nowadays almost everybody uses smartphones and laptops and work with the screens. It is unnatural for the eyes to focus at a close distance for a long time with millions of unnatural lights. Without proper, conscious visual behavior, eyesight can reduce very quickly. Unfortunately, no one in the school teaches us how to maintain clear vision and how to exercise our eyes correctly. Instead, what we can see is a bunch of ads trying to sell LASIK or lenses or glasses and trying to persuade people that there are no other ways to improve vision. I know it's hard to believe, but it's 100% possible to get rid of myopia or hyperopia or astigmatism naturally. I was able to get rid of eye muscle spasm and my vision improved immediately. You just need to understand how your eyes work. To focus, your eyes need eye muscles in a good shape, so the mechanism of refocusing will work. To achieve this goal, you need to get rid of bad habits of bad vision and develop clear vision habits. In the beginning, you can learn facial muscle relaxation. Guided meditation for facial muscle relaxation is on my channel. 3 best eye exercises for myopia are on my channel also. That is how I did to improve my vision naturally, and it works. If you want to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles and get rid of myopia, astigmatism or hyperopia, check out my step-by-step proven course Eyesight Academy. The link will be in the description below.